morning with Chief Meteorologist Jesse Walker.
Welcome back, everybody. Temperature change in the last 24 hours. Look at this up here in Danville. It's 20 degrees warmer than it was this time yesterday, and it was pretty nice yesterday. 13 degrees warmer in Terre Haute, 11 degrees warmer in Vincennes. So, boy, we've seen a nice change in the weather. And I wanted to show you this picture. This is Clark, Colton, and Grayson French. And this was this past weekend in Sullivan County. Can't tell you where. But check out what they found. I mean, those things are huge. And this is the time right now. They probably could use some rain, but we get some rain. Time of the year when we see the peak in the mushroom season. I always tell you, though, be careful where you're going. Make sure you have permission to go on the land to hunt those mushrooms. But look at that find. They had fantastic there this past weekend. And I think with some rain, we'll probably see things get even better for mushrooms, flowers, and all that stuff because it's been kind of dry. 78 for the high. Warm, but not near the record of 90 set back in 1989. 42 was our low. Speaking of the lack of rain, typically this month produces just shy of 5 inches. We only have a few days left. Friday's the last of the month, and we're only just over 1 inch. So we need rain. There's some on the way. Could be a fair amount of rain before this week is over. Sunrise, sunset tomorrow. We're approaching 14 hours of daylight now, and the river stage in Terre Haute is at 6.1, and it's on the way down. Right now at the airport in Terre Haute, beautiful evening, 77, humidity only 30%. Look at these winds, though, south sustained at 25 miles per hour. It's been a windy day. Temperatures right now, pretty much in the 70s. All across the area, there is 180 out there in Champaign, Illinois. Here's our next storm developing off to the southwest of this area, pulling a lot of moisture in across the southern plains. This is mostly in the form of cloud cover here, and then we do get some rain back off to the west of this area. But for us, it's just a few clouds, more so in the southern areas, a little bit to the north, but we're basically looking at fair skies. So there's nothing showing up on the Dorset Automotive Doppler radar. It'll stay that way. Here we go. Overnight, dry. Tomorrow, beautiful. It's going to be windy, but it's going to be warm, and it's going to stay dry. Tomorrow night looks fine. About the first chance of rain would be about noon on Wednesday. So you got tomorrow, and you probably got Wednesday morning. We'll stop the clock for you there as we get into around 1 o'clock. So late morning, pushing noon, probably the first round of rain moves in. And then the front kind of stalls near an area, and we see rain chances continue into Wednesday evening and into the day Thursday. Now, this rainfall is only going to go out for the next 48 hours. This only goes out until about, toward the evening hours on Wednesday. And we're already showing some localized heavy rain. So this could be a pretty good rain coming up as we head for Wednesday afternoon into the day Thursday. I also wanted to show you the dew points. The higher the dew point, the better chance you have of getting more substantial rain and maybe thunderstorms. I usually use 60 as a cutoff, so if you get above 60, you can get some pretty good rain and some storms, and those dew points on Wednesday afternoon will be above 60. And then this is the thing called storm energy. We kind of need that if you're going to get into stronger storms. We see this coming up a little bit, but not a whole lot in this area. I really don't think the threat of severe weather is very high. We're on what we call the low end or marginal. This is for Wednesday night. Can't rule out a couple stronger storms, but I think heavier rain is going to be a bigger issue with these storms that come through late Wednesday and into Wednesday night. They will all be out of here. It looks like by Friday, see that? We're dry Friday. Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and Monday, all looking dry in the area. Next chance of rain probably not until about Tuesday of next week. And check out the temperatures. The warm air moves in. It does cool off right there Friday. But other than that, looking good next several days. Here's your forecast for tonight. Then we'll be looking for temperatures to only drop into the upper 50s, partly cloudy. Tomorrow, dry, windy, and warm, 83 for the high. After that, rain develops as we get into the afternoon on Wednesday into Thursday. Cooler and dry on Friday. The weekend looking great with highs in the 70s. That's your forecast. Sports right after the break.
Hey, thanks.